Const variables cannot be reassigned after declaration. Var is function scoped, so all setTimeout callbacks share the same I. By the time setTimeout runs, I has become 3. Promises run before setTimeout due to the event loops microcode asq. Map creates a new array, so we assign it to result variable. User exists, but age is not a property of user, and optional chaining prevents an error by safely returning undefined. Set removes duplicate values, but 3 string is different from 3 number, so the set keeps 4 unique values. The spread operator expands ARR into individual elements.